Alright, what's up everyone? Drive-through confessionals brought to you by the deli. Hungry? Stop at the deli. Get yourself a sandwich. We're here doing question number 11 in 4-2 today. The case of the missing diagram. The problem says, prove that if two triangles are congruent, any pair of corresponding medians are congruent. So we start with two triangles. We have to make our own diagram for these. We got triangle bad and triangle dog. And we're given that triangle bad is congruent to triangle dog. Now we also need some medians. It doesn't matter which medians we draw, but they have to correspond. A median divides the opposite segment into two equal parts. We're going to have to use definition of median to say that, but just to make an accurate drawing. We'll draw those. We'll create some points, call it X and Y, and we'll also say that BX and BY are medians. The hard thing about these problems is that you've got to come up with the givens, and that's going to be hard for some of you guys. Just take some practice. So we've got our givens down. What we're trying to prove is that these two segments are congruent to each other. So remember that we have assumed, or we were given, that these triangles are congruent. That's going to be the key to making this proof. I'm going to say that AX is congruent to OY. And that's segment division, not definition of median. If two segments are congruent and cut in half, then the resulting segments are also congruent by segment division. That's what we said there. Okay, now we've got, I'm going to say angle A is congruent to angle O. I could also say that BA is congruent to DO. CPCTC for my reason there. Now you can see I've got enough information to prove that triangle BAX is congruent to triangle DOY by side angle side. And now I can show that BX is congruent to DY by CPCTC. And in doing so, I have shown that if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding medians are also congruent. Boom!